Pom-poms are fun and they are cute on your freshly made hat. So how do I make a pom-pom? I'm going to show you, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to make your pom-pom using a pom-pom maker. I did not purchase this. This was a happy little surprise that came with my first loom knitting set. And I love them. I had different sizes. This is the large one, and this is usually the size I make for a hat. Now, there is a commercial brand on the market, and you can buy them in the craft stores or order them. But this is not a name brand, but to me, it works great, and I love it. They come apart like that, and they have these little, usually snaps together well. There's two sides here. It comes apart like this, and then there's this side and this side. So I'm going to leave it like this when we get started. It doesn't matter if you have a bulky yarn like this one or a medium weight, you know, like this one, but I am going to be using the bulky one today. It's just, you just wrap it more and more and more if you want it thicker. So these separate right here. So I'm going to put a piece of the end of the yarn here and then close it up. Now the next part, you just wrap and wrap and just keep wrapping and cover this whole little semicircle here. And then you might want to go back over it. Can't get it, go around here. It got stuck here. There we go. So just keep going around and around and around and around. I just kind of disperse it evenly back and forth. So right now you're only wrapping the two here. Pull out some more yarn here. And then I'm going to kind of go over it one more time at least and see how thick that looks. I think it needs one more time. Get my knot out of my yarn here. All right, so that's about the thickness I have it right now. So I'm going to snip this off and then close that in. And you want to do the same for this side. Again, just put your yarn right here, close it up, and just wrap and wrap and wrap. I'm going to speed this part up for you. All right, when you have this side about the same side as this one, close this one up. And snap this end off right here. And you want to have a long piece of yarn available. So cut you off a big piece of string here. And now you're going to take your scissors, and where this is wrapped, you're going to cut through all the loops. And you may have to go through some layers here. My scissors aren't the sharpest. Sorry if I got off camera there. So just keep trimming, and I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to watch me do this very long. that I've trimmed all of this. Do not open it yet because you'll have a big mess on your hands. And I need to get me some sharper scissors. So that big piece of string that you just cut, you're going to place it in the grooves here. Make sure it stays closed. And just get it all in there right here. And now you tie it as tight as you can get it in there. Okay, and I'm going to do another one. Okay, so I've made 2 knots to secure my strings, and now you just pop it open. Might want to open it up first, it helps. And you also catch some of the little loops you may not have cut. You open it up, and then you can pop it off. Now, just fluff it up a little bit and give it a little trim. It looks pretty good now, but just kind of even it up a little bit. Cut off any long ends and kind of fluff it up. You don't want to cut too much though, because you'll cut your pom-pom away. That looks good to me. So there you have it. Quick, easy, very fun to make, and you can use them for so many things. And then you use the tail to attach it to your project. So I hope you enjoyed this little short video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you know when I post a new video. So until the next one, God bless. Bye.